Hello students, topic for today's lecture is difference between executive, judiciary and the legislature. So first we'll deal with the executive. What is executive? Executive branch is led by the president and the president is the head of the state. He exercises all the powers directly and all the officers through that rank are under him. One difference in the government of India's executive branch versus United States executive branch is that India also has a prime minister similar to Britain. The president selects a prime minister that he believes that he'll be able to successfully lead the Lok Sabha, which is the lower house of the people, that is the Lok Sabha, which represents the greater population. The person selected for his important role is usually the same person that leads India's majority party. This one is the most powerful positions in the India government. Then the president also appoints the members of the council of the ministers and he delivers interactive portfolios to these members based on the direction or opinion of the prime minister. The council of the ministers stays in power during the president's term, but council of ministers has to remain in the favor of the Lok Sabha. The president can not dismiss council ministers on his own because it could lead to a constitutional crisis. So the council of ministers cannot be dismissed as they have the support of the majority in the Lok Sabha. Then comes the legislature who makes the laws. The legislative branch of the parliament includes the lower house called the Lok Sabha and the upper Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, the upper house. The president works with the house to make changes and enforce policies over the Republic of India. The lower house and the upper house are similar to the Congress and the Senate of the United States so far as their role to the Republic of India. Then the last is the judiciary. The judicial branch is led by India's Supreme Court, that is, it includes 21 high courts and numerous civil, criminal and family courts at the district level. The primary civil and criminal laws that govern India are written in the legislation of the Parliament. India's Civil Code, Indian Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Codes are the examples of these. Each union and the individual state governments includes its own executive, legislative and judicial branch too. And the executive branch, legislative branch and judicial branch along with the media makes the four pillars of the democracy. Thank you.